It has been a little while since I last saw you. I definitely had a really great day the last time we were on camera, and then I spiked a fever. Shocker. No sleep, driving yourself crazy. Sometimes you get a little weak, so I took a couple days to rest, had some work to do at a fashion styling job, and then now we are here, which means that the kitchen is mildly clean, but not completely. So that's what we're going to tackle today. We're going to do a full kitchen reset. I've been saying that I'm going to do that, or the meal prep. So today we're just going to go straight into the kitchen reset because I need it. I just feel like maybe I'm a little OCD and I can't do one thing until the other thing is done. And that other thing is a reset. So we're going to do that. I have had a successful week feeding my starter. Last night I did my leaven. So today we're going to bake. And when I say I had a successful day or successful building, I didn't think it was going to turn out this well, but it looks amazing. All of those beautiful bubbles. We're going to go into our dough. We're going to build our first bread. So I'm very excited about that. I have the same food that I need to prep, have yet to prep. All of that went out the window. In fact, if we're going to be honest, I did order takeout, even though I didn't want to. I had a little Chinese, had a little Wingstop. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. We are going to do better this week. I have containers for meal prep coming. I have my groceries that will be coming as well. I'll be ready because the kitchen will be set. I will have no excuses. I feel like I need to just do that and just get it done. But anyway, let me get started with this bread and building our dough. Cannot believe I'm at this stage. I really hope that this goes well because I have been working on trying to do sourdough for way too long. And now I feel like today is my day. Today is my day. We're doing pretty well. Everything is looking relatively correct. And the bread is now in a warm place. And then we'll move on to the next step. While I have these 2 hours, I'm going to utilize them to go get some matcha from my favorite matcha spot. I have learned to make my own really good matcha, but still not like Jane's. Jane's is really, really good. And so if you're wondering why I am in this big puffer jacket, it is because it is what my northern friends would say, brick outside. So I'm going to go ahead outside. Hopefully I won't freeze. And we will come back to the bread making and the home cleaning. We are back from having matcha and had a little breakfast. The buzzer has just gone off for me to take my dough out of a warm place, which is just the oven with the light on. I'm nervous. I'm very, very nervous. We're so close to the bread making part. If this has not fermented and given me a little bit more rise and shaped nicely in the oven, I'm going to be a little bit, I don't even know what to do. Like, I don't even know what to say. I'm so nervous. Like, there's a pit in my stomach. I just want to make good sourdough. Anyway, I'm stalling. Let me take this out of the oven and we shall see how we look. It is warm in here. Okay. Okay. Not sure, but we're gonna go with it.
What?
Are you waiting for the grand reveal?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. She's slightly burnt.
It's not burnt, really.
That looks good. It looks very, very good.
Well, is it as big as you wanted it to be?
She's juicy.
Just like how you like them.
I gotta send this to my mom. Here's up, so you know I mean business. But I'm going to unbox our latest appliance, which is the Bravo toaster oven. Been wanting this for years. bit hungry now, so the time has come to try the bread. Oh my god, it's perfect! This is the little butt of the bread. This is good. This is really good. Never buy bread in. Never. Well, beyond that, this looks incredible for first loaf. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I really am never buying bread again.